Now this right here is a beast of a stove for any serious camper. The Hisencn portable camping stove brings real power and precision to your outdoor cooking game. This isn't your average burner. It's equipped with dual adjustable burners that fire up fast, with heavy-duty cast iron that can handle anything from simmering to a full-on grill sear. Foldable legs, wind-blocking panels, and a massive 150,000 BTU total output? Yeah, this thing means business when you're cooking for a crew in the wild. But what really sells this stove is how easy it is to set up and clean. One person, 5 minutes, you're good to go. Whether you're car camping or tailgating, this stove feels like your own rugged outdoor kitchen. The flame control is dialed in, giving you the confidence to cook steak, stir-fry, or boil water without babying the heat. You want firepower and function in the woods? This is your go-to setup. Forget noisy gas generators. The DJI Power 1000 is pure silent muscle, ready to charge everything from your phone to a full drone kit, and then some. With its fast charging output and rock-solid LiFePO4 battery cells, this power station's built like a tank, but runs whisper quiet. You've got multiple AC ports, USB-C, and even DC output for serious versatility. And yeah, it supports solar input too. Just plug in a panel and you're green and off-grid. What really makes this unit shine is its compact design and app control. It doesn't take up much space in your camp rig, yet packs enough juice to keep lights on and gear charged for days. Whether you're shooting content in the backcountry, running a CPAP machine, or just keeping your cooler cold, this powerhouse has your back. DJI didn't just make a power bank, they built a survival-grade energy hub. You want a campfire meal that actually tastes gourmet? The GR610S 24-inch tabletop Yakitori grill is your new best friend. Built specifically for that slow char, high heat control, this stainless steel grill lets you cook up skewers, meats, and veggies with flavor that punches hard. It's compact, lightweight, and sits right on your table, turning your base camp into a Japanese street food kitchen. Yeah, it's that cool. But it's not just looks and sizzle. This thing is functional through and through. With adjustable charcoal trays and a solid build that retains heat like a champ, you get a consistent cook every single time. Cleanup's easy, parts come apart without tools, and the airflow control is shockingly effective for such a small unit. Take this to your next weekend campout and watch your friends fight over who gets to cook next. Space-saving meets comfort in the Disco Bed Extra Large Portable Bunk, and it's a total game changer for family or group camping. These aren't your average camp cots. They're bunk beds designed for the outdoors, with steel frame durability and plush sleeping decks that feel like real beds. Set it up as a double-decker or convert it into 2 single cots or even a bench. Yeah, versatility like that in the wild is rare. The setup? Surprisingly simple. No tools. Just lock it into place, and you've got vertical sleeping space that clears up your tent floor like magic. And the bonus organizers on the sides? Perfect for flashlights, snacks, or your phone. Whether you're camping with kids or packing efficient for overlanding, this portable bunk setup takes your sleeping situation to a whole new level, literally. A flat tire in the wild? Don't panic. Just grab the AstroAI TC3 air compressor and you're back on the road in minutes. This rugged, compact inflator is built for the outdoors with a high-flow dual-cylinder motor that inflates tires, air mattresses, and even inflatable kayaks with ease. The digital pressure gauge is spot-on accurate, and it shuts off automatically at your set PSI. No guesswork, no drama. What stands out here is speed and power. Most inflators struggle with truck tires or big gear. This one handles it like a pro. It even includes an LED light for nighttime fixes and clamps right onto your car battery for reliable juice anywhere. Whether you're overlanding, off-roading, or just prepping for the unexpected, this tool is not optional. It's essential. Not a problem when you've got the Mark III portable air conditioner tagging along. This compact little powerhouse uses real refrigerant, not just water vapor, to pump out cold air that actually drops the temperature inside your tent or camper. It's got 3 fan speeds, USB charging, and a surprisingly quiet operation. You'll go from sticky and sweaty to cool and comfy in under 5 minutes. It runs off a power bank, AC, or solar. Yeah, it's that versatile. And the size? Insane. It's like having a legit AC unit that fits in your backpack. Whether you're dealing with a heat wave at base camp or trying to get a good night's sleep in a boiling tent, this is the kind of upgrade that changes the whole experience. Once you try it, there's no going back to regular fans. This is where utility meets total vibe. The VSSL insulated flask with speaker isn't just for holding your whiskey or hot coffee, it turns your campfire hangout into a full-blown music session. The stainless steel flask keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours, and the Bluetooth speaker that screws onto the top? Shockingly loud and crystal clear. You're sipping and jamming with one slick unit in your hand. And it doesn't stop there. This bad boy is weatherproof, built to take drops, and fits perfectly in your pack's bottle sleeve. You've got a removable LED flashlight built into the cap too. Yes, really. Perfect for solo adventures or sharing with the crew, this thing turns every break, hike, or mountaintop sunset into a mini party. One of the coolest multifunction camping pieces you'll ever own. If you want one lantern that does it all, the Qimong 4-in-1 Camping Lantern is the ultimate camp light transformer. It works as a flashlight, lantern, ambient light, and emergency red strobe, all in one compact unit. The built-in hook lets you hang it inside your tent, while the magnet locks it onto your car for night repairs. It's lightweight, bright, and built tough for real outdoor use. Battery life is another level. It lasts hours on the lower settings, and even at full blast, you're not scrambling for a charge anytime soon. USB-C charging, weather resistance, and adjustable brightness mean it adapts to any situation. From cooking in the dark to lighting up your whole setup when the sun dips, this lantern's the kind of dependable gear that just makes your entire trip smoother. Don't let the size fool you. The Jukumti portable air pump is a tiny tank that'll inflate your air mattress, sleeping pad, or even vacuum seal storage bags in seconds. We're talking about a device smaller than your palm that kicks out serious airflow. It's USB-C rechargeable and has multiple nozzle tips to fit just about anything in your kit. What really hits home is how much time and breath it saves. No more huffing and puffing into a sleeping pad after a long hike. Just click, inflate, done. It's quiet, super fast, and crazy light. Toss it in your pocket or clip it to your backpack, and you won't even notice it's there until you really need it. A total game changer for ultralight camping or weekend warriors alike. Now, this is camp luxury done right. The King Camp Oversized Camping Kitchen Organizer gives you an actual kitchen setup out in the wild, no joke. With massive counter space, shelves, a windscreen, and even a sink area, it transforms your campsite into a full-on outdoor cooking station. Everything folds into a compact carry bag, but when it's open, you've got drawers, hooks, and sturdy aluminum support that can hold real gear. This isn't just about convenience, it's about efficiency. No more hunting through tubs or bending over the dirt to chop onions. Everything has a place. Your stove sits safe and stable, utensils stay clean, and your cooking flow just levels up. It's the kind of gear you bring once, then never camp without again, especially if you're feeding more than 2 people. Absolute organization heaven for base camp cooks. Whether you're cycling to your next campsite or hitting scenic trails, the Vitalismo Bike Phone Holder Bag is one of those sleek, genius add-ons you'll wonder how you ever camped without. It mounts easily to your bike's top tube and gives you instant visibility and access to your phone through a clear, touch-sensitive window. perfect for GPS or music on the go. And yeah, it's rainproof, shock-resistant, and designed to keep everything bone dry. Inside, it's more than just a phone holder. It's smart storage for snacks, keys, power banks, or anything else you need to grab fast while riding. The zippers are glove-friendly, the fit is universal, and the whole design just feels premium. Whether you're doing a solo trip or biking through campgrounds, this little bag pulls double duty like a champ. Clean, compact, and totally practical. Say goodbye to fuel anxiety. The ShineStar Dual Fuel Camping Stove gives you the freedom to cook with either butane or propane, making it one of the most flexible cook systems out there. You can swap between fuel sources based on what's available. Super handy for emergencies or remote locations. The design is rock solid with wind-blocking panels and a smooth ignition that fires up instantly every time. And let's talk heat. This stove brings the power. It gets hot fast and delivers consistent flame control, so you can simmer soup or sear a steak without fighting flare-ups. The stainless steel surface wipes clean easily, and the included case makes it pack-out ready. For base camp meals, tailgates, or roadside cooking, this stove checks all the boxes. Simple, sturdy, and built for real outdoor cooking. This is not your typical sleeping pad. The Climate Climaloft Airbed brings a foam-top comfort layer over an inflatable base, basically giving you memory foam mattress vibes deep in the backcountry. The result? You wake up without that stiff, cold ground soreness. It insulates well, breathes even better, and stays silent when you shift around at night. No squeaky crinkling sounds here. It inflates in minutes and packs down surprisingly compact for something this plush. Perfect for car camping or even minimalist glamp setups, it offers that real bed feeling without the weight of a full air mattress. Durable, supportive, and designed to elevate your nights outdoors, this one earns a permanent spot in the gear bin for anyone who values actual sleep at camp. This one's just smart. The Paxis Swing Arm Backpack solves a problem every adventurer knows, accessing your gear without taking off your pack. With one pull of a latch, a swing arm brings the lower compartment around to your front, giving you instant access to cameras, snacks, tools, whatever you've stashed inside. No unstrapping, no digging, no delays. And it's not just about the swing feature. It's a solid, rugged backpack too. Great padding, well-balanced, waterproof zippers, and it distributes weight like a pro. Whether you're shooting outdoor footage, fishing off the trail, or just hiking with a purpose, this is the kind of innovation that keeps your flow smooth and your gear within reach. One of the smartest packs out there. Period. No trees, no problem. The Aniu portable hammock stand brings relaxation anywhere, even to treeless deserts, parking lots, or rocky campsites. Built with heavy-duty steel tubing and quick assembly joints, it's tough enough to hold serious weight, but still packs down into a carry bag for transport. It sets up fast and stays rock solid, zero wobble, zero nonsense. Pair this with any hammock and you've got instant lounge mode wherever you are. It's great for festivals, base camp lounging, or even backyard hangs when you're home. And since you don't have to search for two perfect trees, it unlocks hammock time in way more places. Practical, durable, and super chill. It's a must for campers who like to hang out, literally. When you're carrying everything on your back, every strap, buckle, and pocket matters. The BCS60L hiking backpack delivers on that with a massive internal space, waterproof materials, and an ergonomic design that makes hauling gear way less of a grind. It's built for real treks, durable zippers, high-density fabric, and an internal frame that gives it structure without extra bulk. You've got compartments for everything: wet clothes, hydration packs, trekking poles, and even a sleeping bag. The waist and chest straps hug your body to reduce bounce, and the ventilation system keeps your back from turning into a sweat zone. For multi-day hikes or gear-heavy adventures, this pack has the volume and resilience to keep up. It's a total workhorse that won't let you down. Serious campers know, your cookout is only as good as your fuel. And Rockwood Natural Lump Charcoal brings the heat, literally. It's 100% hardwood, burns hotter, and leaves almost zero ash behind. You're not getting filler junk or chemical binders, just clean, dense chunks that light quick and give your food that smoky, rich flavor only real charcoal can deliver. It's kiln-dried for moisture control and packs a crazy good sear on meats while still handling low and slow cooking like a champ. Whether you're running a Yakitori grill, Dutch oven, or classic campfire setup, this is the kind of premium charcoal that elevates your entire cooking experience. You'll taste the difference, and once you do, you'll never touch the cheap stuff again. Thanks for watching, campers. If you enjoyed this gear breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another next-level outdoor gadget. More epic gear drops are coming. Stay tuned and stay wild.